Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing some wool cover coffin tips with this teal sheer color. I really liked it, and the only downside is that my storage was completely out, and of course with iPhones it tells you at the last minute, so it didn't record like the whole thing, but you will see the final look at the end. So we're just gonna go with it today. So yeah, I love doing long nails, obviously, and yeah, at first I was gonna do just one coat because I did like the kind of sheerness of it, but I decided to do two coats. I'm not sure if it's going to show the part where I do two coats, but it will be two coats. And what I'm going to do actually, as far as the design, I'm going to do the exotic nails. Hopefully YouTube allows this to stay up here. It's pretty much strippers. The exotic mixers, I guess you could say. And you know, some people are into that. And of course, I sell press-on nails, so if you're interested, you can look in my bio. It's in my Etsy, as well as you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook or whatever. So on my Facebook marketplace, Ashley Lucas, that's how you can find me on Facebook, and I should link everything below. So if you like this design, towards the end, you can definitely purchase it. And I'm loving the color. I would buy it personally, but yeah, it just sucks that I couldn't get the whole video recorded, but you will see the finished look, and you can judge for yourself if that's the type of, you know, nails you like and that you would like to wear, you know, special occasions. Of course, they're press on, so you know, there's ways to last, and it comes with a free kit and all of that, instructions, and easy to access. So if you have any questions, you can always come and contact me. So you see these exotic dancers, and these are water decals. Not my favorite. I prefer stickers, but I'm gonna work with And yes, this is the part where it does cut off, but this is the finished look. I really love it. Hopefully you do too. And again, my links are in the description if you're interested. And these are so gorgeous to me. And if you're into this type of stuff, I will make more. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and purchase. Preston Sweet, and we're going to go up from here. And please subscribe and share with the friend that you know that is into this. Bye.